Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model BE4291 in color code 3464/1W. It's a matte black color frame. On the temples here we have a white Burberry writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. These are clear lenses. The style of the frame is shield. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.